quadratic function can be written in one of the three ways: in vertex form, in standard form, or in the intercept form. Each give different piece of information about the parabola that you need to be comfortable with working with all three. The equation. So we have the three forms of the quadratic equation. The first form is called the vertex form, the second is called the general form, and the third is form the intercept form. And the first form is f of x is equal to a x minus h square plus k, where h and k are the vertexes. Ax square plus bx plus c, and the third form is ax minus b and x minus q. So we need to know how do I find the axis of symmetry, vertex, and x intercept. So I am giving you 2 minutes to fill this table, and then I will fill it for you. Okay, so the first one is vertex form. How do I find the axis of symmetry? The axis of the symmetry over here is x is equal to h. How do I find the vertex? What is it? H, k. And how do I find the x intercept? Substitute y is equal to 0 in equation. Second one is general form. In general form, how do I find axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry, we know we need to find in axis of symmetry in the general form minus b over 2a. How I will find the vertex form? So it would be minus b over 2a into, we need to put the value of minus b over 2a in the function. And the third one is how we will find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is c, and the x would be 0 here. Intercept form. I need to find the axis of symmetry by p plus q by 2. I can find vertex by p plus q by 2 and putting the p plus q by 2 in the function. And the last one is substitute y is equal to 0 into equation. So very easy. Well, in the vertex form, h is the axis of symmetry, and in the general form, minus b over 2a will find the axis of symmetry, and p plus q by 2 will find the axis of symmetry. In this, h and k are the vertex of, and this minus b over 2a, and putting the value in the function, p plus q by 2 and putting the value in the function. Substitute y is equal to 0 in this form. In general form, c is the y-intercept. Write the equation for the following parabola in three ways. So first of all, we get the point this. The point is 5 and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so it's 5 and minus 3. So we know the form is y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. Y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. So h and k are 5 and minus 3. If we will put y is equal to a x minus 5 whole square plus k, but we need to find a. So we need to take one value of x and y from the graph. That would be this 1 2 3 from the x-axis and 0 from the y-axis. 0 is equal to a 3 minus 5 whole square plus k. Value of h is minus 5 and k is minus 3. So it would be 0 is equal to a minus 2 square minus 3. 0 is equal to 4a minus 3. 3 by 4 is the value of a. So we need to write the intercept form. Vertex form, intercept form, and standard form. So vertex form is y is equal to a, which is 3 by 4, x minus h whole square plus k. Now intercept form is y is equal to a, x minus p, x minus q. And what is p and q? P and q are the points of the x coordinate, determine 3 and 7, x minus p, x minus q. P and q are the point of the x-axis. Standard form, we will just solve the problem set. 2.4, given and convert each of the equation to the requested form. Okay, write y in the vertex form. Okay, what is the vertex form? Vertex form is y is equal to a, x minus h whole square plus k. Okay, so to convert in the vertex form, first of all we can factorize it. Y is equal to 2x square plus 4x minus 6. So it can be 6 times 2 is 12, 4, or we can take 2 common, x square plus 2x minus 3. It would be 2 x square plus 3x minus 1x minus 3, 2x x plus 3 minus 1x plus 3. So it would be 2x plus 3 x minus 1. Okay, so as we have factorized it, now we get the values of p and q, that is 3 and 1. So it's easy for us to get the, or we can get the axis of symmetry AOS, which x which is equal to x which is equal to minus b over 2a, which is equal to minus 4 over 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 1. So axis of symmetry, or x is equal to minus 1. So putting it in the equation, we can get y. 2 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1 minus 6. It would be 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6, which is equal to minus 8. So we need a, and a is so the x would be a is minus 1 x plus 1 whole square minus 8. Y is equal to, this in standard form. So writing in the standard form is the most easiest one. We just need to do is x minus 3 whole square, x minus Okay, and if we need to write this equation in the intercept form, this is the standard form. Write this equation in the intercept form. This in the vertex form. We need to write it in the vertex form. We need axis of symmetry y is equal to 2x square minus 12x. Axis of symmetry would be minus b over 2a minus 12 over 2a. 6 at 12, 3 is 6, 3 is 3, and we need to find h and k. So when putting solve for x-intercepts algebraically. Graphs of following quadratic functions show all essential calculations. equation is x minus b x minus q. The points -3, 0, -1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 0 are on the graph of the quadratic function f of x. Find the eigenvalue